Alright, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you guys are watching this. JD Slides. Coming back at you again with some YouTube videos, trying to do updates on the Fox body and show you guys what's good on the drift car that I've done videos on before. So, it's still the same drift car, still the same everything that I have in the old video, except I did my own little paint job to it in the garage, you know. Didn't come out super perfect, but it came out crazy just like I wanted it to. Got a little slime design on it all the way around. Little accents to it. I just used rattle cans, Posco markers, and then I bought a clear coat gun and actually used real automotive clear. Didn't come out super crazy clean. Like, it looks glossy, but once you look up close to it, you can see a little bit of runs and fish eyes, and it looks a little bit dry in some spots, but fuck it. My drift car. I'll learn as I go with it. Wanted to do a pretty detailed and up close video of this guy, show you what I got going on, what I'm gonna fix, my plans for it, and we'll get into it. So you've seen little shorts here and there of this thing. I got the fenders off yesterday and I started removing some of the wiring from the engine bay. That's what I'm gonna mainly work on today, is get more of the wiring out of the engine bay. Next thing I want to do is drop all of the suspension out of the front, because I'm gonna get an aftermarket K-member to fit the Coyote swap. Gonna get pretty much everything new up front right here. Probably gonna cut out the front radiator support, do a radiator bar to install. A front crash bar looking thing, because I don't have the front bumper piece. I still need a actual front bumper and some headlights for it. The back end has the upgraded differential already in it with the better gears. I still forget the gears. I'm still learning a little bit about this. I'm dropping the fuel tank, probably gonna do a fuel cell, upgraded fuel pumps, upgraded fuel lines and all that for the Coyote swap. This side right here has been damaged a little bit. It's not too bad. You can see on the inside someone did some body work, and on the outside they primed it. I want to get new windows if I need to. I just don't like this part, how it's all melted, and if I can grind it off or clean it up, I have cover plates for it, but if I need to, I'll get new ones. This thing is actually in pretty decent condition. Like, it doesn't have rust really anywhere on it except for surface rust and little spots. Body is in straight condition. The clean title car. Just need to give it some love. Some new door panels. Maybe get a new dash. I don't know, the black dash is nice. If I can clean it up and fix it, I will do that. I don't know what that bezel piece over the top is, but I need to get a new one of those too. Definitely gonna get new seats. I want to get some nice Recaros or some nice like racing style seats. Probably delete the back ones or maybe keep them. I don't know yet. I haven't really decided what I want to do on the interior part of this car. But that's pretty much what I got going on right now. Not too bad. Used to have a GT wing, so it has like little holes right there. Might get the GT wing again just because I have the holes right there, or I might leave. I don't know. I don't want this wing on there. I have a Celine wing right there. I like the way the Celine wing looks, but let me know in the comments if you guys like the GT wing or the Celine wing. What should I go with? This is probably gonna be like a slow build. My fucking hood hinges or back hatch hinges don't work anymore. Gotta get new gas hinges. But it's gonna be a slow build. Kind of like a resto mod build. Do everything as clean as I can and do everything right. Alright, let's get that wiring harness out. got some progress on this bitch today. All that wiring is out. I'm not sure where most of it goes, but I don't think I need a lot of it, because I'm going coyote swap, so I'll have my own engine harness. The only thing I'm confused on, because this is the first time I'm going this deep on a build, is how all the inner wiring works with the motor wiring, and what I need to keep and what I don't need to keep. So I need to do some research on that. I dropped the subframe out, got the shocks out, got the sway bar out. Fucking hot out here. Oh, so I think the next process is probably clean all of this up, get it nice, get the brake booster out, and then I have to go inside, rip the dashboard out, and then do some research on what I need to keep and don't keep. But I'm pretty stoked, pretty happy with how far I got today. Pretty happy with how minimal rust there is. I mean, there's a little bit here and there, but it's all like surface rust. That California dust and dirt definitely kept this thing in good shape. Peace.